Hi, it's Paul from HobbyLink International. Don't forget to use the subscribe button down there somewhere and the bell to get notified of all the future videos from myself and Kenny. Today I'm going to have a quick look at a new decal sheet from Lifelike Decals. This is 1/48 scale Type 97 fighters, part 4. Okay, let's just see what we get in the in this set. Lifelike Decals 48-056 Type 97 Fighters Part 4. You might know it better as Nakajima Ki-27, a commonly named called a Nate. Recommended kit is the Hasegawa kits. It says here a total of 9 aircraft are featured herein, so 9 sets of decals. And Lifelike Decals wants to hear from you and your input. Basically they are interested in what you have to say. If you know of updates or other references, drop them a line. So inside the bag, and I like their bags because they're not, there's a bit of space so you can get things out of them easy enough. So what we have is, let's start here, we've got instructions, 2 pages of text. We've got decal sheet with Hinamaro, 3 masking sheets. There's the second main decal sheet and obviously another little decal sheet. So, starting at the front. That's the common markings for all aircraft, or not for most of them anyway. References, 20 different references used here, basically where they got all their information from. There's the 9 aircraft, basically there's 8, and that's number 9. So they look pretty neat, enough there to get the main things down. These look like it's just the main decals, there's no stencils or anything. One thing I really like about their decals is these sheets of extra information. Basically it gives you really in-depth details about each decal option, what references they used, what colours were used, anything they're not too sure of and they've had to make assumptions for, any changes in colours. You know, like a colour is a non-standard colour, they'll mention it in here. History of the aircraft as well is in there as well, as much as they can find out. It's a pretty interesting read in its own, actually, so that's pretty good. Okay, main decal sheet, I'll put that on the screen, but everything, colours seem good, everything's in register, minimal backing film outside of, should we say, the decals themselves. In some places it's so small I can't see it. Some places using things to hold, should we say, parts together in alignment, like there's some bands that go together. Then also there's the little decal sheet that's used, I think it's on aircraft, option number 9. And then you've got the final decal sheet, which is the Hinamaro, and also the masking sheets. But note these are not like peel off tape. Basically they're pieces of paper that you have to cut out and place. So all in all, pretty neat. If you have a Hasegawa Nate in your stash. It'd be an interesting set to use. Note that you have to paint the white fuselage bands that denoted a home defence aircraft. You have to paint those on yourself. And that, all the main bits are done here with decals and should be pretty neat. The one thing I'm noticing here is that looks like it's actually a masking sheet for this decal. So if you don't want to use the decal, you have the masking sheet. But it's not something you have to use, it's just an option. So all in all, pretty neat. I'll put a link, there's on the website, there'll be close-up photos of all of this. I've made a PDF of those extra instructions as well, and I'll put a link to Lifelike's website where you can buy these. Thanks very much to Lifelike for sending it along for us to have a look at.